Hello everyone, my name is Mr.Bellic and watching Bellic Robotics. So, this is our second video of full stack development. And from this, we are going to start what is HTML. Actually, we are not going to start what is HTML, but yeah, this is our first video of HTML concepts. Okay, in this video, we are going to discuss what is our website and what are its components. So, without wasting much time, let's jump to the video. Okay, so what is a website? Okay, what is a website? You know, it's like if you access Facebook, Netflix, or Google, they all are websites. A website is a collection of web pages that are connected together and available on the internet. Okay, what definition is saying like website is a collection of web page? Okay, Rhythm, but who will tell us what is web page? Okay, so if website is a collection of web page, then web page is a collection of three component. What is three component? Three components are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, I know. If you are seeing this for first time, then you will like, what are these? What are these? I will explain everything in short because in detail, HTML, CSS, and JS have very long lectures, and like I will upload 10 to 15 lecture of each one of them. Okay. Okay. So first of all, website. Website is a group of web pages hosted on internet. Okay. So this is a web page. This is a web page, this is a web page, this is a web page, and this is a web page. When we combine all the web page, so this will make us website. Okay. For you, let's open a website. Okay. Let's open Flipkart. And oh, I think okay. So I have disconnected the Wi-Fi, so we can't connect to web page right now. But le let's say okay, so this is a web page. You can see remove bg. This is a web page, but if I click something here, then something will open. Okay, so this is a web page. If I click here, something will open. This something will open. I can't show you because right now I have disconnected the Wi-Fi so that no one will disturb me recording the video lectures. Okay, so uh, the different web pages, if we include everything in one thing, it will call a website. Okay, like Google is a website, Yahoo is a website, Netflix is a website, but landing page is a web page. Okay, like this, it is a landing page, this is a web page. If I click on something, then another web page is open, and then another web page is open. I use it and another web page is open. You know not this chain reactions. So this is a website which consists of web page, and one web page is made of HTML, CSS, and JS. Let's understand in short what is HTML, what is CSS, and what is JS. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So consider HTML is a architecture. Okay, it's used to create a structure of website. It add text, image, links, button, etc. In short, you can make a web page using only and only HTML. Okay, so HTML is just a structure. It's like you say that HTML is like a house which is made of only cement and iron rods and bricks. Okay, so there is a good structure. So house can exist using only structure. That's why a web page or website is can exist using only HTML. But that will be very basic. Okay, so that will be like a word page. But then we come CSS. What's CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. As it have style in its name, that's what it do. It's like a painter. Like no one will live in a cemented house only. So I will call a painter. Hey painter, come on, paint my house, make it beautiful. So that's what. If you want to add the color in your text, you have to change the font size or like styling the web page. Then CSS does your job. But of course, CSS is a painter, so it can't exist if there is no HTML. So HTML can exist without CSS and JS, but CSS and JS can't exist without HTML. You need a HTML file and a CSS file, then it will be a colorful house. Okay, it had color, font, spacing, styling, and everything to make the website aesthetic. Okay, now it's time for JS or JavaScript. What JavaScript does? So JavaScript is a mechanic. It used to make website interactive. It add actions, behavior, like for example, if you go on a website and click on a button, that button is clickable. That's because of JavaScript. So if anything is getting clicked or like any animation is popping or anything is moving, everything is JavaScript. Okay, every single thing which is doing something or moving is JavaScript. JavaScript is like a mechanic which make fans in your house, make door move like up and down, like closes doors, closes windows. Everything is done in JavaScript. So as we need HTML, CS, as we need like cemented house, painter, and mechanic to make a house livable. Likewise, we need CSS and JavaScript to make our site like more pleasing or more interactive. Because just like a cemented house which have no security and no like leisure, same as HTML web page is just like a Word document which is just like a big encyclopedia or dictionary. So this was all about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I think now you will have a image that HTML is a structure, CSS is a painter, JS is a mechanic, and all together make a web page, and a web page, multiple web pages together make a website. So this was all about today's lecture. Okay, so this was all about the lecture. Now, if you like this video, please give a like, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I don't care. Like you jump on the subscribe button, you do pull-ups or pull-ups up on the subscribe button. It should be pressed. So we'll meet you in the next video and talk about what is HTML. And after that, we are going to jump on actually making our first own website. So without wasting much time, just see this lecture, previous lecture, next lecture, and then jump on to next lecture to make your own first website. And let's go.